Now, a few days ago, we tried to get out my G35, which is a rear-wheel drive, out of 3-4 inches of snow, and they couldn't do it, obviously. But let's see if my MKS, my daily, my AWD daily, can get out of 3-4 inches of snow. Let's find out. This is the condition that the car is in. Pretty inside there. On the other side. This is the condition from this side. I'm like the only one boxed in here. Let's see if it comes out. Took a little bit convincing, but yeah, came out mostly no problem. So yes, an AWD car can get out of 3-4 inches of snow.